Now, what do you all make of the brilliant Maverick suggestion that successful Edwin Allen track and field coach Michael Dyke be given a special task or responsibility by the government to identify, recruit, and develop young female sprinters, similar to what he's doing now at Edwin Allen, with the fundamental difference being that his focus and his end game would not be champs, but for the medium to long-term transition of these athletes to senior level success. I think it's a brilliant suggestion. I mean, the specifics to be worked out, but as per the Maverick proposal, Michael Dyke is the best girls sprint coach in Jamaica right now and would focus specifically on elite young female sprinters, guide them up to 16 or 17, get them running 11 twos and 11 threes like he's doing now at Edwin Allen, and then hand them over to the senior coaches like Stephen Francis and Maurice Wilson or the college coaches abroad to take them to the next level. The aim of this new Michael Dyke role would be to give more of the top caliber talent we see him churning out of Edwin Allen every year a better chance to become senior stars in the sport. And look, champs will remain champs. It's just that elite level talent like Ivona Davis and the Clayton twins and Brianna Liston, etc., would be prepared less for champs and more for Jamaica by the tried and proven expertise of Michael Dyke. And that way, I bet you, the transition rate would spike. I think so, yes.